Imagine you're standing at a busy city intersection. Cars, bikes, buses, and people are all moving in different directions. Now think of each road as a different part of your identity: your gender, race, class, sexuality, religion, and ability. This is the idea behind intersectionality, a term coined by legal scholar Kimberly Crenshaw in 1989, building on the work of Black feminist thinkers like Bell Hooks and Patricia Hill Collins. From a sociological perspective, intersectionality explains how these identities overlap, creating unique experiences of privilege and oppression. Historically, sociology often studied inequalities separately: gender in feminist theory, race in critical race theory, class in Marxist thought. But intersectionality challenged this by showing that a Black woman's experience of discrimination, for example, isn't simply racism plus sexism. It's a distinct form of oppression that can't be understood by looking at either factor alone. Collins expanded on this through the concept of the matrix of domination, where interlocking systems of power, such as patriarchy, racism, and capitalism, shape people's lives. Contemporary sociologists like Ange-Marie have applied intersectionality to policy, showing how laws that seem neutral often fail marginalized groups because they ignore the complexity of real lives. For example, workplace policies designed for working mothers may only reflect the needs of middle-class white women, overlooking challenges faced by immigrant mothers working multiple jobs. In everyday life, intersectionality is visible in countless ways. Consider healthcare. A wealthy man might get prompt treatment, but a low-income disabled woman of color may face delays, prejudice, and inadequate care. Key sociological terms here include social stratification, how society ranks people, structural inequality, systemic disadvantages built into institutions, and social location, the position a person holds within society's structures. Intersectionality forces us to see that these systems don't operate in isolation. They intersect, producing different realities for different people. Understanding intersectionality isn't just an academic exercise, it's a lens for creating fairer policies, workplaces, and communities. By recognizing complexity, we move closer to genuine equality. If you found this explanation helpful, join my channel and help me grow so I can bring you more videos that make sociology not just a theory, but a tool for understanding the world we live in.